Find peace within yourself. Discover calm, clarity, and inner strength. Inspired by the story, The Stillness Beneath the Waves. The sea is loud, waves crash, winds rise, and in the middle of it all, we struggle to stay afloat. In the stillness beneath the waves, a man lost at sea fights the water with everything he has, until he can't anymore, until he stops. And in the quiet beneath the surface, he finds what he was missing all along: stillness. This is the truth. Peace does not come from controlling the storm. It comes from surrendering to the calm beneath it. You do not need the world to be silent. You need to become the silence beneath it. How do we practice this? Each evening, or whenever the noise feels too much, sit in stillness. Breathe in and say, "I am the shore." Breathe out and let the waves pass through you. No chasing, no fixing, just watching. Repeat for 5 minutes. You'll start to notice something strange and beautiful. The storm may rage above, but it won't reach the depth you found within. And how do we pass this on? For children, make it a game. Call it their peace bubble. Let's pretend we're under the sea, you whisper. Then breathe together and let the noise drift away like bubbles rising. For others, offer silence. You don't need to speak wisdom, just hold space for it. You are not the crashing tide, you are not the chaos, you are the quiet watcher, the stillness beneath the waves. Subscribe for the next step on the path. Not every truth is loud. Some are meant to be heard, only in silence.